asus nuc 12 pro, upgrading ssd and ram. This is the front side design and side look, and this is the back side. 2 HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt, 1 VGA and USB port. So we are going to fix RAM and SSD. Keep it there, keep it there. GB NVMe and 16 GB DDR4 3200. So this two we are going to fix it in the nook. Yeah, open the screws. Pull it the back cover. Slowly you need to open, and this is a inside look. Comes with the 2 memory slot, DDR4. Yeah, this is a NVMe slot from here to here, and this is a B key SATA. So these are the heatsink. Yeah, open the screw. Open the screw. Slowly open. Slowly open. Now fix the SSD under to NVMe. Now add the memory. So one 16 GB and one 512. Yeah, fix the back cover. Slowly. Yeah, tight the screws. 4 screws you need to fix. Yeah, here you can see 16 GB. This one is a i7 12th generation processor. 512 GB. And here you can see 16 GB.